thousands of cars stranded on I-80 eastbound Donner Summit. No one's moved more than a few hundred feet over the last hour and a half to 2 hours. A lot of cars are stuck. Even a highway patrol officer got stuck and needed a tow truck to come help him out. A lot of frustrated people, cold people wondering what's going on. This is a blizzard, so I'm headed back to my vehicle to let someone borrow my snow shovel because their car is stuck. We've already used my snow shovel, my $16 purchase, my plastic purchase. We've already used it multiple times to unstuck multiple vehicles.